Sometimes we laugh and sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now. Baby, I took a half and she took the whole thing. Slow down. Baby, we took a trip, now we on your block and it's like a ghost town.
Pretty girl. Hi, pretty girl. Yeah. Anyway, guys, I am doing my makeup and Kushane come and land Olivia in my hands. Say hi, guys. Say hi. Hi. Yes, mommy, baby. Anyway, I'm doing my makeup. My hair is already done. My curl is already. I'm just gonna finish the makeup, and I'm almost done. I'm gonna do Jenny's makeup because everybody have to live. Jenny's can do her thing, but you know, professional. I'm gonna do my lips. My makeup is done. It's real cute. I will be using red on my lips. These are the new lipstick. Oh, and I'm using Fierce. It's almost Valentine's, so you know.
And I never been embraced, and the money's hard to make, so I bet they on their face right now. When he tell the story, that's not how it went. No, they be lying 100%. Moved out of the wrist and forgot about the bed. Why they just call me to tell me come get it? Now that boy off and I don't want no credit. If it was me, they wouldn't regret it. Left me for dead and now they won't dead it. Party still bleeding, my niggas still eat it. Back on the little like the garden, they eat it. Pillows all bitter, spilling the tea. And then Shawty came back and said she didn't mean it. It's hard to believe it. I know that they at the crib gone crazy down there.
We're gonna wait for it to dry, and then let me clean up. Unfortunately, my belt can't go through the hoops, and even if it did, it's too short for here. It's more like a belt to wear up this side. So this is how I'm going. I'm in my jeans. This is it. I really do like the top. I'm gonna put my earring in. I'm not really a person to wear then brush my hair out, but I'm going back downstairs. I'm not a person to wear red lipstick because I just don't like to look loud. I think I'm just gonna do these. All right, there we go. I'm gonna add the gold one to this. Complements it. Then I have these two right there. Can't wear the watch because it don't fix and we don't have time. So outside, I took my lips off. My cousin is around there, but I'm gonna show you guys. You know, Janice is driving. Janice is not in the camera.
Show them how you beat her face.
So yeah, we're almost there. I'm hungry. I'm starving. Yeah, I just can't wait. I took my red lips off. I did my cousin's makeup also. I'll show you guys her face. It's real simple and cute. I'm going to show you guys our face once we reach the destination. Yeah, I just digging a food and eat and show it to you guys. I'm about to go run water, and not my fault. So stay tuned. All right, guys. Ooh, out here is chilly. It's nice, but guys, I'm back at Chroma. And we're just having brunch. This place is really nice. So this is it. Oh, well, it's up people, man. This is it. We are gonna go inside now. Guys, we're seated, and Jenny said she wants bubble balls. What was it?
Yes,
bubble balls. She's gonna eat bubble balls. I think I'm gonna do the hot chicken and waffles. I want I don't know. I think I might do the same thing. The molten strawberry French toast. And what else? one for maybe something else, I'm not sure. It's called really good bacon, which I guess it's bacon, but it's really good. They have wild berry pancakes. They have the blue cake and artichoke. Is it artichoke dip? We had that the last time. How you pronounce it? Is it artichoke? Artichoke. See, my cousin's American, guys, so she can say the words right.
I'm not American. I'm Americanized.
Well, but yeah, that's what I'm gonna have. And then if anything else, I'll definitely show you guys. Definitely gonna show you the food.
The Zannies help me slow up, the leaning help me speed down. Ballin', yeah, I'm ballin', I'm gon' hit it if she beat down. Callin', yeah, she callin', your bitch got me on the speed down. Down and do the rest, I look at faces, don't see.
So this is the boba balls, and it tastes like Lasco, like they ain't got nothing on Lasco milk for real. It tastes really, it's, you know, and then these, when you drink it, these balls, they pop in your mouth. Which, you know it goes. So this is it. Lakeisha is having lemonade, and me and Jenny's having the same thing. We're going to try the French toast. No, cinnamon roll.
Cinnamon roll. Yeah, we have the French toast
coming. And then these are Jenny's hot chicken and waffles, which the sauce should be on the waffles, but we'll see.
So why the fuck would I do a remix? This bitch gave me top, don't want the pussy, he can keep it. Money and the power, fuck respect, cause I don't need it. Driving to the west, I pop the bean and now I'm speeding. Know some people in the six that diss me for no reason. Sending shots, they sending shots.
I'm going into this French toast. Oh my god. We wanted to try the French toast. Oh, you. What kind of sauce is it?
Is that maple? Sure.
Well, it don't need no more.
It don't.
Fuck. Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why?
So guys, this is the French toast. See, she cut it good. I should record you.
Because you did yours to the end, I'm sure I did it to the center. But that one.
Ooh. This tastes so good. That's mine. I'm eating my slider. Not my slider. Why do you say slider? My chicken and waffles.
Now when I drive around, don't fill it up.
Hey guys, we're done eating. This place is beautiful, but I need a picture right at this silver dog. I don't know if it's a dog, we'll see. But I'm gonna take me a picture right here. I left my lip gloss. I left my lip gloss. I did take
I would have never sold that dog.
I did take. Oh, let me show you guys my cousin.
And I'm not that big.
Come true,
of an
good body
animal
girl.
person.
Yeah, good body girl. So guys, that's her. She's talking to Bay. Oh, there's another plane. Alright guys, this is the dog. Is it a dog? It is. Alright guys, I am home. I'm gonna take a shower. I am tired. I did record, or I'm gonna record. Yeah, today was awesome. Brunch was delicious. Okay, I didn't even, it's so funny, I didn't eat. Yeah, that was breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So just, yeah, because I had some sweet stuff, you guys will see, so I don't think my belly deserves anything else. But this concludes the vlog. I appreciate you guys for watching, always watching. I did something new with the little studs under my eyes. I'm gonna take my makeup off now. Still looks good. I did my hair literally this morning. You guys will see the video. Yeah, and the baby hair, they're not stiff, so when I tie it down, this one will fly. But anyway, I appreciate you guys always watching. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Tell me if you like these type of vlogs. I know some people's mouth is gonna be running water. But yeah, I'll see you guys in another video. Thanks for supporting on the road to 100K, okay? And make sure you guys leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Bye.